This video is just a quick preview of one of over 200 step-by-step percussion lessons included in our Conga Chops membership. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and head over to congachops.com to start your free 7-day trial and check out everything we've got on the site.
It's time for us to jump into learning the rhythm that is most synonymous with a bongo, the martillo, which is the Spanish word for hammer. The martillo pattern is at the foundation of many of the rhythms that we'll hear in different styles of Afro-Cuban music, such as son, guaracha, and mambo, which later became the basis of what we know today as salsa and timba. It's also the pattern used as a foundational rhythm for slower tempo grooves like the bolero and bachata. It's often considered that the creator of this pattern is Agustín Gutiérrez, who replaced Oscar Sotolongo Valdés as the bongocero of Septeto Habanero in the mid-1920s. We'll build this one-bar rhythm by combining many of the tones we worked on in Lesson 4. And unlike in Lesson 6, where we learned a hand-to-hand version of the martillo, the one we'll learn here will incorporate some left-hand thumb and muted finger strokes. For the first half of the bar, we'll start off with a muted open tone in our right hand. And remember that to achieve this sound, we'll have to gently muffle the drum with the side of our left thumb. From there, we'll play 2 muffled finger strokes, left-right, and finish off with a left-handed thumb stroke. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the second half of the pattern, we'll start off with a right hand muted open tone, followed by a muffled finger stroke in our left, then we'll play a low drum open tone in our right, and finally a left hand thumb stroke. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're ready to combine both parts. Let's work on this slowly at first, as we get comfortable with the sticking and the tones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's work on it a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we're getting comfortable with the flow of the entire pattern, let's speed it up to